Hiya. Oh, the exhausts arrived for the Goththing. Well, the downpipes, that is, from Gravity Motorsport. Very excited, to say the least. So, probably going to open this, will be a dead body in it or something, knowing my luck. Tell you what, it's well packed. Amazing, look at that. Check that out.
That is nice.
That is nice, isn't it? You know, someone online said to me that these parts weren't very good for that. From what I'm seeing, they are good. The quality, everything. Oh, the bolts on the floor already then. The welds are fantastic on them. Oh, I've definitely got some skills. Quality parts that. And they've even taken the time to sand off the inside, the welds. That's really good. These are going to polish up lovely. So we've got the two manifolds and a manifold kit and gaskets for the downpipes. Reflex pipes. These are going to go brilliant. I'm going to put the sports cats to the end of the flexi pipes, so I've still got cats on it. This looks like a system for doing a D-cat. It shouldn't be hard to put the sports cats on the end. Just a little bit of welding for me to do, which I enjoy now. I've been taught how to weld. It's fun. Anthony's seen me my welding. He was quite impressed.
Oh, it's fabulous.
Not bad for a complete nugget, I guess.
Yeah.
Nugget's newbie, by the way. So there you go. That's the new exhaust system. Downpipes. Thanks to Anthony for filming for me today. How thick they are. The weight difference between those and the originals. Yeah, please hit subscribe. I'm going to really enjoy polishing this. Give us a like, give us a tag, share, whatever. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll be seeing this put in place. Super clean Goththing underneath. Take care, guys. Thank you.